Hi everyone, it's been 1 week with the baby. Today's day 7. So he's right there just chilling. So I make some yam rice and I'm gonna prepare some food for him. And as I said, he's pretty much like almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Monday. So that's the day that he was born. So and he's just right here taking his time. So I'm gonna be cooking some nice food for us, and mommy is at the grocery store. I'm gonna prepare his food. Let's have the rice ready first because he's quiet right now. He just woke up, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We are still celebrating for day 7. See how everything is gonna be. We have the rice, we have everything to be ready. So I'm cooking for him, not for him, for us. So that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. This is day 7, 1 week of the newborn, and everything looks great. So I just came out from the gym. I was working out, and his food is getting warm. Food first, we're gonna have the food ready. I would say the rice ready, right? And then his bottle's getting warm as well. And then he's chilling for now. So let's keep going. Let's see how everything's gonna be on his first week with us. See you guys later. His food is getting warmer up because our bottle warmer messed up. So I have the rice ready, getting ready. So I'm gonna have a chance to feed him. And now it's 10:08 in the morning, and I'm gonna be changing him right now. He's feeling uncomfortable, and then I'm gonna feed him. Look at this guy. He likes to look at the camera. Listen, this guy's gonna be an actor. Oh my god, he's so cute. So anyway, so that's gonna be the procedure. I got home, mom is at the grocery store. I will be changing him right now. Diapers, everything, making him comfortable. 10:09. I'm gonna tell you guys how long it's gonna take for me to finish everything. And I still have to cook some pasta and ground beef. I'm gonna show you guys later. And we're celebrating 1 week with the baby, and he looks so strong. Look at that. And guess what? He's having eyebrows. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with that. So changing every single day. So and then after I feed him, I'm gonna place him inside his basket right there, and I'm gonna have my meal as usual. And see when he's gonna ask for food again, because usually he's waking up around every 2 hours. Okay, so during the day he goes to 3 hours sleeping, but you know he slept all night long. So I was awake watching him and feeding him at the same time. But today is another day. It's time to cook, have everything ready, and you know it's not that tough to have a little newborn. So just to let you guys know, I'm enjoying so much. So he's already changed. Food is still there on the stove, cooking. As you can see, the rice is not ready yet. So these guys pretty much ready to be fed. Just to let you guys know, today it is Monday, and it is about 10:15 in the morning. He's gonna be feeding right now, and then I have to do the things I have to do. Cooking, you know, changing him. He's already changed right there, as you guys can see. He's a photogenic guy. And Monday, start from Monday. Today is his 7 days with us. So all the techniques I learned from the hospital is really applying right now. See you guys later.